Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Umusam Salegu posting his kids since it's back to school time. And after us dragging him ngosing about he finally posted umzukulu wakhe umntana kaThando, that girl unique in I think it's dark blue, yeah. And since we are counting down few days, I think it's three. Yeah, I think it's 3 days. Um, Guys, that's Lavantana Lava. It was so young. The only I was thinking about when the show started. I remember as I know Zara, and I'm so proud of Zara Babo. Finally got the chance to celebrate back to school night. But Sabona Lala go uniform was a fun uniform, and one of Umtana Ayeko, which is Umtanaga Mangwabi. Umtanaga Mangwabi won't bafunda at different school, and it has sparked speculations with why Natumangwabi wants everything a bit different from the other kids. But as a collab, we're just proud of Nje Ubabi to finally posted even if like Lobaba Lo Sasalumtana Lo Ezumtanaki, because I don't remember a day referring as Umzulu like Shala Ashkutu Umtanaki no Matlele, since they took her as a Kusni Bamkulisa, and look how grown she is. I just wish bebathathana lo kaSnelo omncane and naye bamkhulise kube right. I just hope labantwana laba guys abafani nabo Mpumelelo, abolwandle nabo Sne. I just hope nje ababoni uMpumelelo nolwandle Sne. Bonke nje abantwana labayana ababoni laba as ama-role model wabo, because bayabheda nje, bayabheda. Omunye ugijimisa imali, omunye ugijimisa amadoda, omunye nje asimazi. At least umfazi ofana noMpilo Enhle no-Abongwe, which they chose a life of Ivacity after laba graduated, they get a job, unlike going out there and telling people that you are some Selebu's child. Besides that, ayikho into ongayi-explaina ngawe. Duh, don't you have matric? Don't you have something to say ukuthi hayi mina ngaphasi matric and all? And umuntu owasho kanjalo kucala kwaba uSnake ngathi angacitha isikolo, and then noMpumelelo naye I think akacithanga isikolo because he was asked ukuthi yini oyisebenzayo, what besides being umntana kaMseleku ayikho into engiyenzayo, shows udla imali zakababakhe. And I'm like, guy, what role model are you giving abantwana basekini ukuthi wena uqule ingoma kayi-one macedile uthatha ubufazi wenzani. Hey, mara sibakhulile guys, let's hope they take different directions and let's continue counting down the days. Thank you for watching guys.